unfortunately, Hannah, like a lot of people, she doesn't like herself and she doesn't really recognize her own self-worth and value. And so when people treat her poorly, part of her thinks that she deserves it. And so she goes along with it until one day she's just like, you know what, no more. And I think it's easier for her to do that with her awful boss and leaving that job behind because she's been so miserable. Um, and I really wanted to include all that because I'm an attorney in my day job. And talking about discrimination and bad things that people experience, I feel like I have seen the most blatant forms of, disrespect, discrimination, bad treatment, and people just taking it on the chin because they either don't know their rights or they don't really have like a precedent for understanding how to challenge that mistreatment. And so I wanted Hannah to serve as this example for people because if I have readers that maybe don't realize that you cannot be fired for taking maternity leave, if you choose to not work while you're on maternity leave, that's federally protected, and a lot of people might not know that. And so I wanted Hannah's examples to stick out in their head, and the fact that she gets a payout, that's all very accurate. Like that's how much you would get for those kind of claims in a typical settlement. And so I wanted people to kind of know that and have it in the back of their mind so that red flag, if they get treated that way, that they will know to stand up for themselves and not take that